Yeah, check it. It's just one of those days when I look in the past and I can't help but to ask myself, just wondering how things could have been. Or better yet, how they should have been. When I met her at the club, my vision was blurred, not from all the liquor, but from looking at her. She was a whole lot flyer than them typical birds, the type of beauty dictionaries couldn't put into words. I said, it's crazy what you do to my mind, my head's in the sky. You got me on the spiritual high, angel of mine, I'm feeling your style. And I would just love the opportunity for us to chat while you having a drink or two with me. And so it started, she told me her name and how she got it. I was falling in love and couldn't stop it. She was the most dazzling thing I'd ever seen. She was a queen, a replica of the girl of my dreams. She was a scene of the heaven's perfection. That's why it was hell-bent on getting her attention and showing her affection and heaps of passionate love. Cause I was really into her like a hand in a glove. With enough soul food to last me for days, she had my heart burning in a passionate blaze. Straight from the start, I knew deep in my heart that she had to be one of God's finest pieces of art. Indeed, it was hard to believe her if she kept it. The feeling was right, that's why we couldn't have left it. In a love nest with each other was where we belong. That's why I still can't believe that you're gone. I just wish you was here, girl. I just wish you was here, boo. I just wish you was here, girl. I just wish you was here, boo. Cause all I ever wanted to do was roll with you, up in the club sipping a fish bowl with you, just holding you while I'm taking a stroll with you. Right after I roll up a cone and smoke with you. See, I remember thinking that I'd grow old with you. Mental stimulation at times I spoke with you. In a crowd of beautiful people I noticed you. That's why you chose me as much as I had chosen you. The girl that drove me crazy the most was you. And what we had was real, you know this, boo. That's why I can't explain the pain I was going through when I found out that God had chosen you to be the next of his angels to join him in heaven. I felt like my heart had been stabbed with a sharp weapon. I felt like a puzzle with the last piece missing. I felt like a great white shark with teeth missing. I'm lonely, boo, and every day alone for you in my bedroom, writing a love song for you. It's long overdue, but better late than never, I guess. So here's a love letter to help me get some things off my chest. I just wish you was here, girl. I just wish you was here, boo. I just wish you was here, girl. I just wish you was here, boo. And yeah, I know this say nothing lasts forever, but I don't know, man, I beg to differ. Cause I still got these sweet memories with me, and I'ma hold on to them, you know, just as a souvenir. Just a souvenir of the moments, the dreams, the life that we used to share. Just a souvenir, just a souvenir.